It is confirmed and totally official that the Galaxy A55 will not set foot on the lands of the United States. This is a very controversial and very strange decision on the part of Samsung, who in the past had restricted, for example, the distribution of the Galaxy A73 outside the United States, and it was only sold in that region. But now that we are in this new edition of the Galaxy A series, it is very curious that in the United States is not going to be distributed the Galaxy A55, but only the Galaxy A35. Remember that both devices were unveiled yesterday, so a Samsung spokesperson told CNET directly the following: "We can confirm that the Galaxy A35 5G will be coming to the US market and expect to share more details in the coming weeks. We will not be carrying the Galaxy A55 at this time. Perhaps they don't want this device to take sales away from the Galaxy S series FE model, which is usually a very attractive model as well. But yes, it is quite curious that Samsung has made this decision. So we do not know if in other regions will take the same decision to only present one of these two models. Now we have to wait and see how the devices are launched. For now, in Mexico, the Galaxy A05, A15, and I think the A25 are already available. So you can be sure that soon I will be sharing their unboxing, review, and everything you want to know about them. But let's wait now to see if the Galaxy A55 and A35 will also arrive in Mexico or not. Because if not, I won't be able to share all that with you. But for now, it is very clear that in the United States, you will not be able to enjoy this edition, and we will have to see if in other countries either.